We want our coffee just the way we like it. And with the new Fresh Brew Plus 12-cup coffee maker, you can brew delicious coffee to your preference, hot or cold. Newly added design features allow you to easily make a pot of coffee and keep it warm at the temperature that you like best. Not only that, this coffee maker from Zojirushi is able to brew effortless and refreshing iced coffee. With a generous 12-cup capacity, the Fresh Brew Plus quickly heats water to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, the ideal temperature for brewing the best-tasting coffee. And for iced coffee, this model has special features including a Keep Warm Off setting, iced coffee water measure lines, and a glass carafe with an ice basket. To make iced coffee, measure your desired amount of coffee, fill the ice basket with ice, lift the removable water tank from the unit, add water to the level line marked iced, turn the warming plate to off, and brew by pressing start on the control panel. The hot coffee is instantly cooled as it brews over ice, locking in flavor and aroma for the perfect pot of bright iced coffee. To make hot coffee, measure your desired amount of coffee, pull up to remove the water tank, and fill with water to the level line marked hot. A new feature on this machine is an adjustable warming plate with 4 selectable keep warm settings: high, medium, low, and off, which allows you to keep coffee at just the right temperature once brewed. Press start on the control panel to start brewing. When the coffee finishes brewing, the drip prevention mechanism stops coffee from leaving the filter basket when the carafe is removed. The Easy Pour carafe with clean spout design minimizes dribbling, making your pour smooth and easy. And the swing arm filter baskets lift out easily for cleaning. Effortlessly program a fresh brew with the 24-hour timer and clock for fresh hot coffee in the morning. In addition, this unit has a clean indicator that appears on the display when cleaning is recommended. Ease of use, maintenance, and safety are important qualities to Zojirushi when products are planned and designed. That is why all surfaces that come in contact with water and coffee are BPA-free. Accessories include a convenient measuring spoon and sample paper filters.
For more than 50 years, Technivorm has successfully combined the best innovations of modern product development and design to bring the real taste of coffee to millions of people worldwide via their Mocha Master coffee brewers. Providing the perfect cup comes from the design of our brewers that meet strict guidelines set forth by the ECBC and SCA Gold Cup brewing standards for the 4 T's. Temperature, Mocha Master's copper boiling element brews between 196 to 205 degrees Fahrenheit and holds the brewed coffee between 175 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit via an independent hot plate element. Time. A full carafe brews in 4 to 6 minutes with the correct saturation time. Turbulence. This brew process creates a perfect coffee bloom and even extraction. And total dissolved solids, or TDS. Solubles between 18% and 22% in every cup. Quality in craftsmanship is also important, which is why every Mocha Master coffee brewer carries a 5-year warranty and is handmade in the heart of the Netherlands using only quality European parts that ensures longevity of your brewer and are cleanable, repairable, recyclable, sustainable, and plastics are BPA, BPS, BPF, and phthalate free. Mocha Master coffee brewers are timeless in design and will grace your home with elegance that's matched only by its quality.